welcome back. Today we're going to be talking about multiplying radicals. Let's go ahead and take a look at our rules. So our rule for multiplying radicals is when multiplying radicals, we're going to use the product property. So that's radical A times radical B. It's going to be radical AB. And then we're going to simplify if needed. So let's go ahead and take a look at example A. Here we are in example A. We've got radical 3 times radical 5. So 3 times 5 is going to be 15. So we've got radical 15 as our answer. We're going to check to see if that can be simplified. 15 can only be broken down to 3 and 5. So there's nothing to pull out. So this is as simple as we can go. And that is our answer. Now let's take a look at example B. Here we are in example B where we've got 6 radical 2 times 1/3 radical 8. So in this case, we've got a scenario where we've got numbers on the outside of the radical and numbers on the inside of the radical. So we're going to multiply the numbers on the outside against each other and the numbers on the inside against each other. So 6 times 1/3 is going to give me 2, and 2 times 8 is going to give me 16. So 2 is going to stay on the outside still, 16 is going to stay on the inside. Now we need to check. Do we need to simplify? And we do, because the square root of 16 is 4. So we end up with 2 times 4. And then 2 times 4, as we all know, is going to be 8. So my final answer is 8. So again, when we've got numbers on the outside, we multiply them together, then the numbers on the inside, then we simplify if needed, and then multiply if we have to. Now let's take a look at example C. Here in example C, we've got 15 radical 7 times 1/3 radical 14. So again, we've got numbers on the outside and numbers on the inside. So we're going to multiply the things on the outside first. So 15 times 1/3 is going to give me 5. So that's going to stay on the outside. And 7 times 14 is going to give me 98. So that'll stay on the inside. Now, the problem with that is 98 can be simplified. So we're going to have to break that one down. So we've got 98. That's an even number. So I know I've got 2 times something. That's going to be 49. And then 49 can be broken down to 7 times 7. So now I need to check, is there pairs that I can pull out? And there is. I could pull out this pair of 7s. So I'm going to have 5 times 7 on the outside with what's left on the inside, which is just a regular 2. So 2 is going to stay inside the radical. 5 times 7 is going to be 35. Square root of 2, there's nothing to multiply with, so it just stays radical 2. So my final answer is 35 radical 2. So again, if you have to simplify, you know you're going to do your multiplying first, then simplify in order to get your correct answer. That brings us to the end of this problem. It also brings us to the end of the set of notes. If you like this video, go ahead and throw us a thumbs up. If you love this video, go ahead and throw us a sub, and we will catch you in the next one.